Hi, it's Fred from Créa Concept. In this video, I'm going to show you the clay wash with a lime effect. So, clay wash with a lime effect. The advantage, a spalter can be enough. You can also apply a first coat with a roller, and then the second coat with a spalter. The benefit is that it's ready in a bucket, already tinted. The surface has already been primed. Here, we're not using a bonding primer. It's a matte acrylic primer. Let's go. This is what we call papillonnage. Well, we're going to do that all along. By working like this, you'll get variations in thickness. And those variations in thickness will give you small, subtle color shifts. The second coat will allow you, with a little trick I'll show you later, to also create some more visible clouds. Little tip here, we're also working with a decorative paint. So with decorative paint, we're not working vertically or horizontally. We go in all directions because there will be overlaps. And to blend them into the design, we work randomly. Here, I don't have a straight line, right? I start like this, a bit round, and then I spread out further. Sometimes in a demonstration, you also have to show what not to do. Here, for example, there was an impact. And if you don't fix that beforehand, it will stay till the end. So you have to fix all the little defects on the wall beforehand. Here we can see that there are zones that aren't fully covered. That's normal, it's part of the decorative effect. These zones will probably be a little lighter, and that's what will make the clouds. The second coat will fill them in, so there will be less material in those areas, and it will create more effect. So, first coat is applied, we'll let it dry a little, and the second coat can be done with the same papillonnage or a slightly different one, maybe a bit wider. And we can also dilute the second coat a bit, which will make it lighter than the first one. One more small detail, the extra tip of the day. You also have another option, spraying. You can play with a bit of water like that as you go. Be careful not to spray too much, or drops will fall and you'll have to fix them. That's something to be very careful about, because otherwise you'll get straight drips and it'll look bad. What happened here is that I cleaned my brush and there's already water inside it. So for high areas like this, I don't need the spray bottle up top. Here I go much further. I spread it wider. That's it. So be careful with those small drips. You have to fix them right away. If you want, you can add a little spray, just like that, but not too much, really just like this. It's enough. It slightly dilutes the product.
Oh.
Last tip, you can burnish it. For that, we use other tools. A small roller for application, and right after that, we burnish it. Let's go. So here, there's some material on the surface. If you're ambidextrous, that's super useful. You've got two tools. So here, I'm leaving the decor just as it is, because that's what suits me. Then let it dry for at least 24 hours for the final decor to set completely. If you want, you can apply a water repellent product afterward to protect it from splashes. Don't hesitate to leave a comment, and I invite you to watch this little video. See you soon.